Hi, welcome to another video. In this video we'll talk about functions, Excel functions. So what do you mean by functions? Functions are pre-configured formulas. That means we don't have to write the formulas from scratch. Instead, in many different common scenarios, to get the output, Microsoft built a lot of functions in Excel. So we don't have to learn about how to make the formula. Instead, we need to learn about how to use the function properly. Okay. So let me go to the first scenario. In this scenario, I got some numbers in these different cells. I need to find the sum of all these numbers. If I would use the formulas, you will start with an equal sign and pick the numbers one by one. That is a difficult task to select all these numbers one by one. So that is why we need to use functions, because they created a function name sum. The function name is sum. So how do I use the function sum? First of all, start with an equal sign, then write the name of the function, and then use the parenthesis. And then this function required cells that are having numbers, and also range of cells, maybe single cell, maybe a range of cells, maybe a combination of both separated by commas. These are the different ways we can apply the sum functions. In this scenario, I need to find the sum of all these numbers. Select the range from the beginning and then close the bracket. So I got the numbers. I got the sum of all these numbers. Or maybe if I like to get the sum of first 3 comma and the last 3, so put a comma and select the range. That's it. And what if I select cells that are having text? In some function they don't give you an error message, but in other function you may see some error message. But in this case there is no error message. Instead, the sum function says that I couldn't find any cells that are having numbers, so the answer is 0, like that. Okay, so let me repeat the function one more time. Sum, select the range, and then close the bracket. That's it. Next one is to find the average. Is there any function available to find the average of range of numbers? Yes. The name of the function is average, equal to average, and then open the parenthesis and then select the range and then close the bracket. That's it. So my next question is, what if I need to know the largest number within this range? Okay, is there any function to do this job? Yes, there is one. That is called the max. To find the maximum, equal to max, select the range and then close the bracket. That's it. I mean, max function find the largest value within that range. I mean the range that I selected. Equal to min, also the same, select the range. So these are the four functions. One is for the finding the sum, second one is to find the average, third one is to find the maximum value, and the fourth one is to find the minimum, the lowest value in that range. Thank you for watching the video.